What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another WTSO unboxing. Let's drink something today that's going to warm the cockles of your heart. This is a Shiraz from Western Australia. And we got a twist top here. I love twist tops. Get me to the wine. Most of you wine savvy people out there, you know that Shiraz is just Syrah, the French grape Syrah. And it found its way down into Australia in the 1830s. You better come get this. So Australia started out as a British penal colony in the 1800s. They put this guy by the name of James Busby in charge of bringing the agricultural products down. So he brought these grapes down in the 1830s.
So you mean they didn't let the inmates make wine? Something like that.
Is it hooch?
I think it's hooch.
It's made with toilet paper?
Well, as one does.
Yeah, fermented toilet paper. When James Busby brought these down to Australia in the 1830s, they were put in a crate, and the crate was marked with the anglicized name of this grape, which was Shiraz. And in the Australian accent, it's Shiraz. And this one is slightly unique because it's coming from Western Australia. Most of the wine produced and most of the wine that you're going to be drinking from Australia comes from the south.
So is there a reason for that?
Yes, and I think it's because the original colonies were set up mostly in the southeast corner of the country. The west came much later on.
Juicy and yummy.
Yeah, there's something primal about it that just goes straight to the core of your being. Beautiful. You know what? This is interesting. I'm getting this. I don't know if you're getting this too. This is a hallmark of Australian Shiraz. Menthol. There's like a eucalyptus or like a menthol note on the nose.
And you get that specifically from the Australian version of this grape.
Yeah. They say all of the different flying insects that pollinate the plants in Australia cross-pollinate with the eucalyptus trees and the grapevines too. And that's how this wine gets that flavor. Anyway, here goes. Yeah, there it is. Just fantastic. Like I said, primal, like very pleasing to the soul. It's nice and balanced. There's some warmth in there, 14.3% alcohol, so that's got a little bit of heat in there. Real strong, like raspberry and blackberry flavors too. I don't know, what do you get out of it?
Yeah, I always get, that kind of like we talked about before, like kind of that jelly jar type of flavor.
Jelly jar,
It's very Christmassy.
Yeah, and that means we need to talk about food pairings.
All right, what are we eating with this?
Well, the obvious thing would be grilled meats on the Barbie. But if you want to get a little more creative, this time of year, I would say plum pudding, because we got Christmas going on back here. Yeah, it's Christmas. Plum pudding with a little spice in there. I think that spice would really be nice coming out, along with all these cherry and berry flavors that are in there. Duck.
Oh,
I love, duck.
There you go. Right? Christmas goose?
Yeah, like Christmas goose or roast duck. That would be my choice. Of course, if you're feeling kind of lazy and basic, you don't want to cook up a full meal, then cheese is always a good selection for a nice red wine like this. So you want to go hard cheeses. All right, wine lovers, we've explored another wonderful wine from WTSO, part of our unboxing series. We've done a full case, so there are 11 others if you want to go back and check those out. And if you like these videos, of course, subscribe to the channel so that you get more of them in the future. Thanks for joining me today, and have a safe and happy holiday. I'll see you soon in 2024. Cheers.